18.446. Got a leak on the rim, so we're gonna put a tube in it. We're gonna put some more fluid back in it. We're good to go. We got premium Firestone tubes. Looking for Michelin or Firestone. We carry both options, but today we're putting in a Firestone tube to get this guy rolling. Last time I pumped one of these tires and I didn't wear gloves, my hands smelled like soy sauce for like a week straight. And I like soy sauce in moderation, but the smell is like, okay, after the first couple hours you get annoyed of it, right? Gloves. Farming season, and just because it's a holiday doesn't mean that the farmer's going to stop. So yeah, but kudos to you guys. Thanks for doing all the farming work you guys do, milking or whatever you guys do. And then grain farming, obviously they're in harvest mode right now, but yeah, big shout out to those guys working every day until it's done. That's why we want to keep these guys rolling, even though it's Monday, even though I feel like crap. We gotta be here to support each other. We gotta make sure we take care of everybody. Sweet sound of filling. Just filling up the other one. She's good to go. Have a great day.